you can start now.
How does Dickens present his point of view about the addiction in hard times? The novel Hard Times is set in the 19th century. It was a time where addiction did not have the development as full nowadays. Dixon Dickens, Dickens intentionally created the British system of addiction and how to was evolved over the year in his novel where the education was not compulsory for all age and it was over to the world there more than the working class who did go to school, but the need for children work was more important in the eye of some people. فاطمه مصطفى
Doctor,
الباريجراف.
should I start? You hear me, doctor?
Yes, I hear you. I think you need to move on to the next slide. Who's gonna
Yeah,
say? Who's gonna
yeah,
read
right.
that?
Yeah. As we know, the education is a part of a person's life, and Charles Dickens believes that the key to a quality education is the inclusion of creativity and imagination in the structure of learning. So, the novel reveals Dickens' disapproval of the utilitarian education system, which involves teaching children nothing but facts, and how children were indoctrinated at very early ages that facts alone are wanted in life, and as they depend on facts, the children are not allowed to ask questions, which means memorization, misunderstanding, and ignoring the development of talented students and their imagination in any way.
In hard times, we see two versions of the word of education. The first view is that of Thomas Gradgrind and his model school, a place where facts are valued and imagination is regarded as unimportant, and this is the utilitarian view. The second view is that of Mr. Salary Circus. This is a place with much knowledge valuing both imagination and education. I think that Dickens is telling us that there are many different ways of educating children. It's about getting balance between education and imagination.
As my colleagues discussed that Dickens' point of view about education and versions of educations in world. Here's the for example, Sissy was brought up by her father and didn't go to school, but was quite well educated as she used to read to him. But her father let her use her imagination as she read the wrong books from Gradigan's point of view. But when she went to Gradigan's house to live there, she was cut off from having an imagination. Elsa was struggling to learn facts. She became low spirited but no wiser. This is because she has an emotional memory, and so she can't learn the facts because she's being taught with a utilitarian view, and so she can't attach a feeling to what she's being taught. That's all. Thank you.